The Barrett M82 is one of the most famous and powerful long-range rifles used by military forces around the world. This rifle was developed by the American firearms company Barrett Firearms Manufacturing and quickly became known for its extreme power and long-distance capability. The rifle was originally designed by American engineer Ronnie Barrett in the early 1980s. The Barrett M82 was created as a heavy sniper rifle capable of firing the powerful .50 BMG cartridge. This ammunition is significantly larger and more powerful than the rounds used in standard rifles. Because of this powerful cartridge, the M82 is often classified as an anti-materiel rifle, meaning it can be used to disable equipment, vehicles, radar systems, and other military targets at long distances. One of the most noticeable features of the Barrett M82 is its large size and strong construction. The rifle has a long barrel and a strong receiver designed to handle the intense pressure of the .50 caliber cartridge. Despite its size, the rifle is designed to be operated by a single shooter with proper training. The Barrett M82 operates using a semi-automatic recoil-operated system. This system allows the rifle to automatically load the next round after each shot. Compared to traditional bolt-action sniper rifles, this allows the shooter to fire follow-up shots much faster while maintaining strong long-range performance. Another important feature of the Barrett M82 is its powerful muzzle brake. When a rifle fires a .50 BMG round, it creates an enormous amount of recoil force. The large muzzle brake at the end of the barrel helps reduce recoil by redirecting gases to the sides. This makes the rifle more controllable for the shooter. The Barrett M82 also includes a detachable box magazine that typically holds 10 rounds of ammunition. This magazine design allows quick reloading and continuous operation during long shooting sessions. The rifle also includes a strong bipod mounted near the front of the weapon, which helps stabilize the rifle when firing from a prone position. Optics are another essential part of the Barrett M82 system. The rifle usually includes a Picatinny rail that allows the shooter to attach high-powered scopes for long-range targeting. These optical sights help the shooter accurately engage targets at distances that can exceed 1,500 meters depending on conditions and shooter skill. The rifle is also designed with durability in mind. Military weapons must function in extreme environments such as deserts, snow, and dusty battlefields. The Barrett M82 has proven to be extremely reliable under these harsh conditions, which is one reason why it has been widely adopted by military forces. Because of its power and unique design, the Barrett M82 has appeared in many military documentaries, movies, and video games. Its large size, powerful sound, and impressive long-range capability have made it one of the most recognizable sniper rifles in the world. The Barrett M82 represents a major advancement in long-range weapon technology. Its semi-automatic system, powerful ammunition, and strong construction make it one of the most respected heavy sniper rifles ever produced. If you enjoyed learning about the Barrett M82 sniper rifle, make sure to subscribe to Wapeon Hub, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. More exciting weapon content is coming soon on Wapeon Hub.